Here we are in Jethro's garage doing a review, long-term review. This little 120 volt Craftsman air compressor has been around this place for 22 years now. I think I bought it in '02. You can see how faded it was from sitting in the doorway. This thing has done well more than was ever asked for it. Really, it was never designed to do things like painting or run a DA sander that require a lot of air volume. Perfectly fine running something like an air impact. But you know what? This thing's painted, let's see here, I've painted a 15-foot boat. I've painted several snowmobile projects. I've painted a Ford Mustang, and I've painted a Chrysler LeBaron with it. The disadvantage, not having enough volume of air, is that you end up using a lot more elbow grease cutting and buffing because you're going to get orange peel in your paint. But finally, it still works great. It's been rebuilt numerous times. You can buy the little piston ring and the cylinder for this thing for 13 bucks off of Amazon. But a couple weeks ago, knowing I needed to upgrade, here we have it. It's a DeWalt DXCM601. It's 3.7 horsepower, single stage, 60-gallon tank. Now, this isn't actually built by DeWalt. I'm fairly certain it's made by M-Glow or Porter Cable or something like that. The same identical thing, pictures, specs, everything. You could either get it from Home Depot under the Husky name brand or Northern Tool under the Clutch name brand. But anyway, they're all listed normally for about $900 to $1,000. Tractor Supply had this thing for $749 over Labor Day weekend, and I couldn't walk away from it. In a little bit, when there's less background noise, I'm going to do a decibel test between that one and this one. Several people in reviews complained that this was loud. I don't believe it's nearly as loud as that old oilless one. Anyway, stay tuned. Alright, we're going to do a decibel test. One compressor versus the other. Alright, looking at a pretty solid 82 decibels for the Craftsman. Now, we're going to turn on the DeWalt. Well, virtually identical. I don't know, it might just be the frequency of the noise. This oilless makes a much higher pitched noise. I don't know. Anyway, doesn't matter. I got a lot more air capacity here.